Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
Try to call me, I'll show you how it's done. If you will allow me, you don't know shit about me. So how the fuck you doubt me? Told me we was fucking shit 180, it's an owie. Ice snow cold, won't be here without me. Watch them all fall, it's a fucking origami. Please do not pretend, cause I know that you just act. Smoke it to the end if you smoking on my pack. Calling him a friend, but he talking about hot bets. Out of my shit, bitch, go check out my steps. Hey, bitch, I like to count on my runners, they coming in, they abundant. I got a pretty bitch about me, is he calling me? Is he on my dick for the money? I put my dick in her, told me he said he dead serious, but I'm still finding it funny. Is he boy, I'm laughing, cause you are a joke. No, I'm never passing, cause you don't want to smoke. You don't pick the mic up, cause you know you gon' choke. Chasing all the riches, but you know you gon' broke. Hey, pull up on a t-shirt. Told him suck my dick, then I pulled up on a baker, told him suck my dick. Then I pulled up on a preacher, told him suck my dick. Then I pulled up on a hater, told him, what's up, bro? How you doing? Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that bitch you been pursuing. I can tell you mad from the shit that you been doing. You ain't packing other shit, bitch, why you stay canoeing? If she want the coke, but you brought the weed. If she want the coke, I got what she need. Yeah, she need the coke, need a tot of me. Yeah, she getting stoked, cause I make a nose. Yeah, I make a nose. Good macaroni. You ain't in my lane, cause I'm fly like Tony Stark, Iron Man, brody. Yo, bitch, I'm a Zach, I ain't talking about Cody. Ayy, still I got a sweet life, feel like Captain Leroy. Let me hop up on it, I could body if the peanuts. Ayy, see me by the seaside, she told me to be nice. And it with a plug to his talking book of Eli. I'm a motherfucking menace. Puller says suck my dick to the dentist. Puller screaming fuck your bitch out in Venice. Cooking up beef, straight heat, no chemist.